Hi everyone, Chris Cummings here at MLC CAD Systems, and today I want to show you how to set up a Markforged Eiger organization account and then how to add users to your organization. A real quick note, the only people that should be setting up these accounts are going to be the device owner or manager or somebody that you've selected as an admin for your organization's account. Alright, let's get started. So first thing you want to do is open up a Chrome web browser. And in the address bar, type in eiger.io. This will take you to the Markforged Eiger homepage where you enter in your login credentials. But since this is our first time creating an account, we want to select Sign Up. Now on this page, we're going to enter in our user information for creating an account. Email, name, your organization name or business name, whatever you'd like. Phone number, and then a password, and then just select Sign Up. Now this will send a verification email to the email address you entered. Open the email and then just select Verify Email. This will bring you back to the Markforged Eiger homepage. And now that our account is verified, we want to log in. And then select Sign In once you've entered in your credentials. You'll be presented with the terms of service for the website. Go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom and then select I accept. Since this is our first time logging into Eiger, we'll be displayed with a tutorial. We can take a tour or we can just close this out. For the time being, we're just going to close this. Now we're logged into Eiger, you'll be displayed with the library view. On the top right corner, there's 3 bars. This is your menu icon. This will pop open a drop down. What we want to focus on is the organization settings today. Now we're on the organization settings page. We want to focus on the left-hand side of our screen. Select Users. This will display all current users in your Eiger organization. Currently, we only have one user, which is the organization owner. So now we want to add more users to our organization. On the top right side of our screen, there's a blue bar that says Create New Users. Go ahead and select that. This will bring up a pop-up for you to enter in an email address and a full name. Once you've entered the information, this will generate a new user account under your organization. This will also send an invitation email to that user with your account information and temporary password and a link to log into Eiger. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you for watching.